Hello everyone and welcome to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the liquidation heat map here for Bitcoin. We already took out some liquidity from down here, and we still have some left here until the $110,000, and after that I will expect a nice bounce back so we can take out this liquidity, because we can see here we have a couple billions actually here on liquidity above $120,000. With that being said, let's take a look also at this campaign here, the Bentley campaign, and you can win up to $2 million in prizes here with VX. Make sure you check it out. Using the link in the description and in the pinned comment, you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses, and you can take place in these competitions right here when you can win up to $2 million in prizes. Now, let's go over here and check out our trades and see what happened in the last days. Market dropped a little bit more. Unfortunately, my trades are losing some unrealized gains. We can see here Ethereum, just 23k in profits. Then we have here Solana trade in the red. This is a dollar position, so quite a big position, even though my account grew a lot also, so it's still just, I don't know, let's say maybe 3-4% of my trading account. It's just my trading account, it's not my long-term portfolio. Let's look here. Doge trade also 6k in losses here, which is not nice at all. I'll probably add some more to my Doge trade because I'm quite bullish on Doge and I expect a big move to the upside sooner or later for cryptos. I still think end of the year we might even see a nice and juicy altcoin season. So with that being said, I will add some more to my Doge position right here. And now let's check out the other trades here. VChain, $600 in profit, so everything is slowly going down. Uniswap, just 3k. We are almost back at $7, guys. We are now at $8.98. So all the market basically erased all of the gains from the past 3 weeks, at least on the altcoins. So we need to be very, very good with altcoins right now. My Bitcoin trade and my Ethereum trade, they are still performing very, very well. But the altcoins, you can see, or many of them, for example, Uni was around $16,000 in profits. Now it's just $3,000 in profit. So unrealized gains, we are down on this trade, particularly like 12k. So you need to be careful with altcoins. Still, I'm looking for new opportunities here. Let's see. Market has been red again. Most altcoins are bleeding down, and I definitely like Solana at $163. I'd opened this position a couple of minutes ago. It's actually opened by itself. I had a limit order already set, and now which ones I would like. I'm liking Link. I like TRX, and TRX, guys. Let's talk about TRX actually today, because TRX has been performing very, very nice. Do we see this diagonal phase here from the beginning of 2024? Tron went basically from 10 cents up to 33 cents, very, very just slowly up. So should we open a Tron position? I don't know, we are very near the all-time high, so I'm not so certain the gains will probably be not so juicy, but it's definitely a good and stable option right here if we get a deep down to the 25. So I will open a position here at 25 cents on Tron. Why not? Let's do it. $2,000 position here. Let's go $2,000 margin, so it's like around the $50,000 trade. Opened on Tron and not opened, just order set, and let's see where the price will go next. Now let's talk about Ethereum. We are below $3,500. You can see I have many orders set here for Ethereum, so I'm happy. One of them is very close at 3,420, and the next one is at 3,150, because I'm looking to scale up my Ethereum trade. I think we are still going to see a nice and juicy altcoin season, and with that we have to see before Ethereum breaking above 4,000 and breaking the new all-time high of Ethereum. So we have to have a little bit of belief and hope in Ethereum. I know it hasn't been performing very well, especially compared to Bitcoin, guys. If you compare Ethereum to Bitcoin, it has been performing not good at all, but I'm still very bullish on Ethereum, and I expect a nice phase for Ethereum. I think we're just slowly transitioning from the Bitcoin phase to the Ethereum phase, slowly but surely. The altcoin season index is still very, very low. We are almost still in a Bitcoin season here. We can see the altcoin seasons are also getting shorter and shorter, guys. Let me see if I can zoom out here. We can see before we had much altcoin season, and basically this bull run, we just had a little bit of a altcoin season here at the beginning of January, and here at the beginning of at the end of this year in December, basically. And we can see they were very short. Just 2 weeks before, we had altcoin season for a couple of months, guys. You can see here we had like at least 2-3 months of altcoin season, and here as well in 2021. And there were definitely many different phases where the altcoins were outperforming Bitcoin. But for now, you can see it's very hard for the altcoins to outperform Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is getting institutionalized by so many big companies, big funds, and so many institutions are starting to implement Bitcoin, having Bitcoin treasuries, and much more. Bitcoin is becoming the digital gold, and it's going to be one of the main currencies of the world. So, with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye.